Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring the phone is current and your data is safe. This prevents sync conflicts. Once your iPhone 15 is backed up, open Settings and tap your name at the top. Next, scroll to the bottom and tap Sign Out. You may be asked for your Apple ID password to disable Find My iPhone. Enter it, then choose which data to keep on the device, contacts, calendars, and tap Sign Out again to begin removing the old Apple ID. Once signed out, go back to Settings and tap Sign In to your iPhone. Enter the new Apple ID email and password. Make sure you complete two-factor authentication if prompted, because that verifies your identity. After signing in, iOS will offer to merge local data with iCloud. Decide based on whether you kept contacts or calendars. Also check payment and shipping and subscriptions to confirm billing transfers. Make sure iCloud Drive and Photos settings match your preference to avoid unexpected downloads. To finish, confirm iCloud Sync is active for photos, contacts, and backups so everything updates under the new account. Then open App Store, FaceTime, and Messages to ensure they show the new Apple ID. Sign out and individually if any still reflect the old account. If apps request purchases from the previous account, you may need to reauthorize or redownload. If something fails, sign out fully, restart the iPhone, then sign back in. Reset network settings only if persistent connection problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.